How are you? Okay, thank you. In previous chapter, we learned that in a democracy, the rulers are not free to do whatever they wish to do. There are certain basic rules that both the government and the citizen have to follow. All such rules are confined in the Constitution. Today we shall study about Civics Chapter 2 Constitutional Design. संवैधानिक रूपरेखा. To understand constitutional design, it is compulsory to us to understood more about what is democracy. Means it is needed to us for studying meaning of the democracy. Meaning of constitution. It is a means constitution is a fundamental legal document that provides a blueprint for the working government of a country. It describes basic rules for smooth working of various organs of the government and also the right of citizens. Fundamental legal documents means basic legal documents. मूलभूत वैधानिक प्रपत्र, ब्लूप्रिंट, रूपरेखा. Various organs. In democracy, there are three organs of the government. First, legislature, second, executives, and third, judiciary. In this way, we can say that with the help that the Constitution is considered to be the supreme law of the country. Supreme law means there is no any law above the Constitution. That is why it is known as the Constitution is considered to be the supreme law of the country, which determines, जो निश्चित करता है the rights of the citizen, नागरिकों के अधिकार, the power of different organ of the government, और यह भी निश्चित करता है कि different organs जैसे legislature, executive and judiciary, इनका क्या अधिकार है, कैसे वो काम करें, यह सब रूल्स रेगुलेशंस हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में दिया गया है. इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल डिस्कस द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल डिजाइन ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल डिस्कस द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल डिजाइन ऑफ ए डेमोक्रेसी. In this way, we will be answered a number of questions like why do we require a constitution, how are the constitution drawn up, हमें संविधान की जरूरत क्यों होती है, किस तरह से संविधान बनाया जाता है, who designed the constitution and in what manner, कौन लोग संविधान का निर्माण कर सकते हैं, संविधान बना सकते हैं और किस ढंग से बनाएंगे, what are the values that guide the constitution in a democratic state, और इन ए डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री। एक डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री में संविधान बनाते समय मार्ग निर्देशक सिद्धांत क्या होंगे, इस तरह से इन सब चीजों का आंसर हमको इस चैप्टर में मिलेगा। नाउ वी एक्सप्लेन important terms of the chapter. First, preamble. Preamble means introduction. It signifies the value and philosophy of the constitution. It means preamble contains the value and the philosophy means theory of the constitution. As a constitution always start with preamble. It means each constitution start from its preamble, means introduction, and it serves the purpose of an introduction to the constitution that explain its aims and objectives. In preamble, a lot of things are explained, and preamble tells us that what are the aims and objectives of the constitution. संविधान का क्या उद्देश्य है, इन सब की व्याख्या प्रियम्बल में की जाती है। सेकंड,